art teacher at Roanoke Elementary. So if I have any Roanoke Rangers out there, howdy. This lesson is all about color and rainbows. If you can't tell, I'm a huge fan. This lesson has two different parts. The first one is a warm-up to kind of get our artist eyes going. It's going to be a color wheel scavenger hunt around your house. You've seen a lot of things happening on social media, and I just had to get on the bandwagon and join. That's our first activity. Our second activity is going to be a color wheel collage. So once our artist eyes are focused after our scavenger hunt, it'll be easier to find some paper that we need for the collage. Let's get started. For our scavenger hunt, here's a basic color wheel to get you started with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Feel free to come back and reference this picture if need be. This is a more complex color wheel with intermediate colors such as yellow-orange, green-yellow, blue-green. So if you want a little bit more challenge, you can reference this color wheel. Just a helpful tip, make sure that you have permission from your family before you start taking the items. If you'd like a bonus challenge, you can choose one color, say red, and find the shades and tints of that color. Or in other words, find a dark version of that color and a light version of that color. Here's my example. I just had to put all those pieces back where I found them, and that took a minute. Alright, let's start the last part of our project, which is our rainbow collage. And a collage is a type of artwork that has smaller, cut out pieces of paper or photographs glued to a harder surface. So, let's gather our supplies. What you're going to need for this is a paper plate that we cut in half, or if you don't have one of those, I found cardboard from an old cereal box. So you never know what you're going to find once you start using your artist eyes, right? So, a cardboard or a paper plate. I always have a pencil handy for drawing. You're going to need some sort of glue. I have the biggest thing of Mod Podge here, but I would say glue stick or Elmer's glue will do you just fine. And then, with your parents' permission, you're going to be looking for old magazines or old mail that you got, scraps of paper that people are done using. You definitely want family's permission before we start cutting into those things. But what we're looking for is all the colors in the rainbow that we're going to find in these pages. Alright, I'll give you a minute to find your supplies and I'll meet you back here. For the first part of this video, you might need to reference this rainbow. Remember the rainbow order is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Next, go ahead, either your cardboard or your paper plate, trace your rainbow shape, and cut it out safely. The next step is to draw in the bands of the rainbow. So that is 5 curved lines equally spaced apart. And it's okay to ask for help for family if you want. I also labeled with the colors so it'll be easy to reference later. The next step is to flip through your scrap paper magazines and collect your rainbow colors. Remember, they don't have to be solid, just mostly that color. For example, I found a great picture of red strawberries, so I'm going to cut it out in sections, kind of like squares or rectangles, that I know will fit into the bands of the rainbow. Just a helpful tip, when I was looking through my magazines, I looked through them upside down so I could look at it with a fresh artist eyes. I found lots of different textures. There were stripes, I think that was a yellow pancake that looked really yummy, furniture that was yellow, so really use your artist eyes and focus in on what colors you can find. Once you have all your pieces cut out, we're ready to glue or collage onto your rainbow board. Go ahead and glue the pieces as close together you can, and it is okay to overlap. Fun making a rainbow collage with you guys. Thank you for joining me. When you're done, here's some reflection questions that you can ask yourself. 1. Do you remember the order of the rainbow? Hint, hint, Roy G. Biv. 2. How many colors did you use today? 3. Does your new artwork make you smile? Why? If you feel comfortable, share your art and answers on the NISD Art Flipgrid page. Can't wait to see. Have a great day.